Unlock financial freedom, the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom, but don't know where to start? This video will reveal a simple yet powerful budgeting method that can transform your financial life. Many people struggle with money management, not because they lack income, but because they lack a plan. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, accumulate debt, and neglect saving for the future. The 50-30-20 rule offers a straightforward solution. It divides your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This approach promotes balanced spending and financial stability. Proverbs 21 verse 5 reminds us, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty." Financial planning is key to long-term success. Needs are essential expenses required for survival and well-being. These are non-negotiable costs that must be covered each month. Examples include rent or mortgage payments, groceries, transportation costs, utility bills, and health insurance. Prioritize these expenses to ensure your basic needs are met. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, explore ways to reduce costs. Consider downsizing your living space or finding cheaper transportation options. Wants are non-essential expenses that enhance your lifestyle, but aren't crucial for survival. These are the areas where you have the most flexibility. Examples include dining out, entertainment subscriptions, new clothes, travel, and the latest gadgets. It's okay to indulge, but be mindful of overspending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just an impulse buy? Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial. This category focuses on securing your financial future and eliminating debt. It's an investment in your long-term well-being. Allocate this 20% towards building an emergency fund, investing in assets, and paying down debt. Prioritize high-interest debt to minimize interest charges. Start saving early for retirement and consider other investment opportunities like stocks or real estate. Building a solid financial foundation is essential. Let's say you earn $2,000 per month. Here's how you could allocate your income: $1,000 for needs, $600 for wants, and $400 for savings and debt repayment. Adjust these amounts based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. The key is to stay within the allocated percentages. If your expenses exceed the limits, identify areas where you can cut back. Consider increasing your income through a side hustle or promotion. The 50-30-20 rule is simple, easy to follow, and encourages smart spending. It helps you live within your means while still enjoying life. It balances lifestyle and financial goals, allowing for fun spending while securing your future. This reduces financial stress and promotes peace of mind. By consistently building savings and emergency funds, you'll be prepared for unexpected expenses. This provides a safety net and reduces financial anxiety. Don't confuse needs and wants. Prioritize savings and avoid spending more than you earn. Regularly review and adjust your budget as your circumstances change. Many people spend first and save last, leading to financial struggles. Instead, prioritize saving before allocating funds to wants. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Luke 16 verses 10 to 11 teaches that those who are faithful with little will be entrusted with much. Proverbs 27 verse 23 emphasizes the importance of knowing the condition of your finances. Avoid wastefulness and prioritize financial discipline. Proverbs 22 verse 7 reminds us that the borrower is slave to the lender. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 12 highlights the importance of wisdom in financial planning. Money alone is not enough, wise management is crucial. Now it's your turn. Using your real or estimated income, create a personal budget using the 50-30-20 rule. Write down your total monthly income, calculate the amounts for each category, and identify areas where you can cut spending. Reflect on how you can improve your budgeting habits. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start today and take control of your finances. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool for achieving financial stability and freedom. By implementing this method, you can spend wisely, save consistently, and build a secure future. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Download our free budgeting template in the description below and start creating your 50-30-20 budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Share this video with your friends and family to help them unlock their financial potential.